Play St. Louis blues. Play St. Louis blues. Play St. Louis.
Now this is going to be a new blade, but what I typically do on these blades, this is a mulcher blade because this hump right here, I'll typically go in there and I'll go ahead and give it the old chop. What I do is I use these discs. You know, of course the grinder's $100 or something, and the disc is probably 20. But I'll just go in there and I'll clean that down to a nice edge all the way around to right here, and they'll make it sharp. It's sharp, but it's got paint on it. So let me do that. Now once that I got that pretty sharp, I'll go ahead and hone it with, this is a 320. Alright, so we get this thing installed here. And luckily it came, the adapter actually works. So you've got to make sure that this little key right here fits in the bottom side of that. And let's see, that's be a different size blade. Let me get the right blade here. Put a washer in there is a kind of an adapter. Let's see if it will fit. Yeah, that should be good. Let's see, I got the wrong socket. Alright, remember that? That's my $1 impact off a garage sale. The battery cost me about $20 because it's not a Makita, but it works. You jam bolts on and off if I want them. Alright, so what I've got done now is I've got new air filter in there, cleaned all the carb and everything like that, threw a little spray paint on there. Oh, and got a new primer bulb and put a new string on it. As you saw in the first video, it was, or the first part of the video. And let's see, what else do we have here? Lubricated the cable. These things usually rot down here in this area here. It's usually rotten. They're pretty common for that. And I just kind of put a little motor oil in there and it'll go for several years. Let's see what else. One thing I can't find is this replacement handlebar foam. I'm still looking though. But there's your cable. Works that unit down there. So that's good to go there. So let's keep moving along here. It looks like I've just about run out of time. Let's see if I can put this down here. And I can put a clamp around it. Let's see what we've got here. Get a couple of squirts in there. Let's see if this thing will actually light. Well, there you have it. Not real glamorous, just an old beater lawnmower, but it was headed for the scrap. I took my, you can see that I've polished it up a little bit, made it look halfway decent, got a new string and filter and blade, and I think it's going to do okay. Anyway, we're going to give you a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.